Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ACMELIFE Office Chair with Flip-up Armrests. ACMELIFE created a really nice chair, as you can see, and of course it is available in black too, okay? Here it comes in black and white or white and black. It's also on the market in black finish. But I have to say I like the white one more than the black one. Because there is a two-color model and this looks really beautiful. I think so. This ergonomic desk chair is for the home office. Height adjustable, it's a computer chair, a mesh executive work chair with lumbar support. It's an office chair for home and of course for in the office in white black. That's really cool because it is an 4-in-1 office chair. The height of the office desk chair can be adjusted within 10 centimeters according to our habits. With 90 degrees flip-up armrests, 5 centimeter adjustable lumbar support, and 30 degrees tilt rocking, we can enjoy this COM5 Mac chair doing working, studying, and of course resting. And you don't have to forget for gaming too, because we have an ergonomic design with its ergonomic S-shaped curve design. This computer chair with back support can fit our back carefully. The adjustable lumbar support for the low back can relieve our tiredness. This is an ideal desk chair for people with back problems or for standard people which have no back problems too, but it will prevent you against the back problems. And it saves us space, as you can see. We can slide nearly the entire chair under our desk. That's awesome because of the liftable armrests. Simple and modern design is suitable for the most decoration style, and the 90 degrees flip-up armrest of the Mac chair with 360 degrees rotary castors can help it fit under any table easily. This work chair is suitable for the bedroom, for the living room, for the study room of course, for meeting rooms, for the office room, and for gaming rooms too, and so on. Where you like or where you need a nice chair, here it is. And sturdy materials. The castors and base have passed the certificate of BIFMA, B-I-F-M-A. The ergonomic of the chair here can support a weight of up to 330 pounds. The skin-friendly breathable mesh fabric prevents the accumulation of sweat and heat, and the white, soft, high-density sponge cushion improve overall comfort. With all the tools and detailed instruction, as you can see in that video here, or you look at the installation video too, the installation will cost you, I think, 10 minutes. That's enough. And the installation is really easy, as you can see. You have to tighten a couple of screws, then you get it in position, take a seat, job's done. ACMELIFE. What office chair do people like? What kind of office chair are comfortable? This is what ACMELIFE has been exploring. Home, office, elegant, multifunctional, innovative. These words are active in the new era. They are committed to producing office chairs with a design look and sturdy materials and a relaxed seating experience to meet the pursuit of high-quality office chairs. They let the chair no longer only be a chair, but also a good partner for people's work and life. And this is an ergonomic office chair with flip-up armrests. And this is not only a flip-up armrest office chair, it looks really cool. And adjustable soft lumbar support for a better fit around our waist. We have a 360 degrees rotation. The height adjustment is 10 centimeters and it's really easy. The only thing you have to do is pull on the trigger, job's done. And we save 70 centimeters of space because of the liftable armrests. 8 centimeter thickened sponge cushion. That's a lot. 90 degrees flip-up armrest and breathable mesh fabric back. 360 degrees rotation silent wheels and sturdy, safe and stably starbursts. Up to 150 kilogram. And we have SGS Class 3 cylinder, which will lift up and let us in position as we like. And of course, you can get it in black or in white and black. And you can see everything is in a box what you are going to need to attach, to assemble this awesome desk chair. This is easy. You will start with the bottom side, get the rolls into position, make the main cross first, then tighten there on the 5 arms of the main cross. You tighten the screws on it, then of course the wheels, and then the cylinder on top. Oh yeah, that means the halfway is done. After this, you go to the back side of the system, and of course on the armrest itself. The armrests are attached to our back side and of course to the seat with 4 screws, and then it's time to make the connection, the hub, attach the hub with 4 screws, and that it is. Then it's marriage time. Get these 2 parts into position, have a seat, and then there it is. Your ACMELIFE Office Chair is ready to use. With flip-up armrests, Ergonomic Desk Chair for home office, it's height adjustable computer chair, a Mac executive work chair with lumbar support. Office chair for home use or for the office too. Here in white and black, also available in black and black. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.